The National Electrical Code or NEC specifies color coding for different types of conductors to ensure safety and proper identification within electrical systems. For 24 volts DC control circuits, understanding the correct color code for grounded conductors is crucial. According to NEC section 725.30.8.2, Class 2 power limited circuits are permitted to be installed using conductors that are either blue or white with blue stripes. This means that a white wire with a blue stripe, often referred to as white/blue, is the compliant color code for the grounded conductor in a 24 volts DC control circuit. It is important to differentiate this from the color codes used in alternating current or AC systems. Typically, a blue wire with a white stripe or blue/white is commonly used as the grounded neutral conductor in 120/240 volts AC circuits. Using the correct color code helps to prevent confusion and ensures that electricians and technicians can easily identify the purpose of each conductor. Following the NEC and industry standards is a fundamental practice when installing electrical circuits. This ensures that electrical systems are safe and compliant with regulatory requirements. Consistent adherence to these standards reduces the risk of electrical hazards and simplifies troubleshooting and maintenance. Employing the correct color code enhances safety, promotes efficient maintenance, and ensures compliance with electrical regulations. By consistently following the NEC guidelines, electrical installations are more easily understood and maintained. This best practice reduces the likelihood of errors and enhances the overall reliability and safety of the electrical systems. When working with electrical installations, referring directly to the most recent edition of the National Electrical Code is recommended for accurate information and compliance.